Hello guys, Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I ordered off Amazon and me unboxing it. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I ordered something off Amazon a couple of days ago and I wanted to show you me unboxing it so you can get the excitement with me, and I'm really excited to open it because I've been wanting one of these for ages. I'm really excited to open this. I love opening packages that I order offline. It's just so exciting, and now that we're in quarantine, it's even more exciting. We get into the video, make sure to subscribe if you're new, you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you're excited. So turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time we upload a new video. Let's go into it. I'm gonna have it a bit more below so you can see the box as well as me. So this is the side of the box. It's like nearly as big as me. Yeah, quite a big box. Actually, it's quite small for what it's meant to be. If this comes out wrong, oh yeah, so I thought it was going to be a surprise, but this is what I've got. I've got an LED ring light with a stand, like a tripod stand. It's like long, and the light comes in all different colours and everything. So if you're looking to buy one of these, I'm going to review it for you and me unboxing it and all the bits to it, and then I'm going to show you the name and what one I've exactly got. So yeah, I don't know how to open this box. It's not opening.
A few moments later.
Guys, again, ignore what I look like. I literally just woke up and then I came downstairs to eat breakfast, and then I saw a package at the door and I thought it was my neighbours because lately they've been getting a lot of packages. They've not been in, so we've had to take it in for them. But then I saw it and it said my name on it. Oh. Okay, so my favourite part about this is I've got a bubble wrap. I'm going to tell you that later. And then, so, this is the box. Let me show you. This is the box. Black thing, and the black bag. Oh, it's the tripod stand. I thought it was going to be way bigger than that because it looked like it on the pictures, but you know, oh well. It probably extends some weight there though. It should extend more, or just like that. Okay, and this drops out of the bag as well. That's where you put your phone in. I think, yeah, it's there that you put your phone in. So it extended so much more. Probably I might get my dad to do it later, but that is where your phone goes and you can stretch that so your phone fits in it. So far it's quite good, guys. So let me just put everything to the side. These, I'm not really sure with this. Oh no, right. I think this is where you put your phone. No, right. This is where you put your phone, but also that looks like it as well. I'm gonna open it. Oh, that's also where you put your phone. It what? Oh guys, that's really confused. Oh! Huh? Yeah, that also stretches as well. That could be... Oh, I don't know. Huh? Then we've got this thing. This is what... Wait, what's this called again? This grips on... I think... Oh, what? Guys, right, I can't think of the word. This is like... You put that to... Oh, guys, I really can't think right now. Literally, I've just woken up. But whatever this thing is, we got... I sound really stupid right now, but I actually can't remember anything. Well, I've literally just woken up, as I said, like 5 times already. I've got the tripod stand, the phone thing where you put your phone in, and then this is on the tripod stand. You can you know the things that builders use to like make things straight? You've got that as well, so then your camera isn't wonky, because usually in our videos my camera's really, really wonky because like I have to put my phone places because we've not got a camera yet. So I think your phone bit goes on one of these parts, and then we also got this, which is another, this could be a camera one. Yeah, this could be like an actual camera one that you put on instead. Because right now I've got a phone, so I'll probably use this one instead, because these are on selfie sticks and stuff like that. And then we've got this like grappler thing. Oh, I'm trying to think what this is called. I can't think what it's called. I've seen it in so many things. But that goes on something like that. And then so that's the bag for it as well. And the next part, which is my favourite part, we've got the ring light. Me and Mia have already got LED lights in our room, so this just makes it so much more better because it's a ring LED light. And these are the instructions, guys, so it does come with instructions. So this box is quite good so far, and it's like quite simple as well. Look, but there's only that instruction. That's the instructions, and then you've got like how to use the ring light and stuff. Oh, wait, oh no, that's just the USB rechargeable thing. Whatever. So in the LED box, you've got another package with this little thing on. So all of this stuff that I'm taking out now is for this.
A few moments later.
Hi. Where did I go? So yeah.
Eventually.
Oh, this bit goes from at the top to here, and it goes onto the ring light, as you can see there, the first page. Yeah, that is what this is. And then for this bit, this is, doesn't say. Oh yeah. Oh, this bit goes onto this, like that somehow. Look, I don't know. So yeah, and then that goes on. This all goes onto this top bit, so then it helps the phone stand up. Okay, I've got it now. So guys, so far this is quite good for what I ordered. And then taking out of the box, got your ring light, which is like the thing that's needed for. Opening more of a wrap. Here is the lights that you can change, like the colour to it. It's like a silver colour, then like a gold colour, and then like a darker silver colour. My friend's got one of these, but the small ring lights. So yeah, this is the long lead as well, so it's quite long, which is good and a bad thing. So yeah, you can make the colour brighter when you switch. So look, you've got an up button, then you've got a switch button, then you've got like put the brightness down, and then that's to turn it off. So that's the ring light. And on the packaging it says feel light and beauty face, make face and eye and beauty night. Yeah, that's just waffle. It's for selfie and live streaming. It has functions of feel light, beauty face, beauty eye, brightness, skin. It can also adjust for 3 colours temperature, which I just said. And according your favourite to adjust various shades, which is like you can turn it up and down and stuff like that, which is really, really good. So yeah, that is literally all that comes in the packaging. So it's quite simple packaging, which is good, because I don't like people who don't usually like complicated ones, because it takes ages. So I did think the tripod was going to be bigger than that. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Okay, right guys, I've done it again. And then you do that, I think, to lock it, because it won't, right, it just, wait, guys, what have I just done? Oh yeah, look it. Why isn't that one looking? These two at the top are. I'm scared if I break it, because I'm really, really heavy-handed when it comes to stuff like this. Oh, now it's looking. Okay, right guys, I've made it longer. So I'm just gonna do the others now. So all you have to do is to make it longer is unclip these, and these all should just fall out like that. Look, so if I just went like that, it fall out. And then you push them back down again to lock them so they stay up. Guys, oh my god, I'm actually loving this right now. Okay, right. Next one, I'm gonna unlock it as well. There's 3 stands. There we go. So hopefully, guys, you're gonna see me actually put it up in the next video that we do, which is we're going to film one today actually, or tomorrow. And yeah, okay, right, guys, it's really, really long right now. So this is what it looks like. It's really long, guys. I'm going to be a handyman and I'm gonna see. The screw that I'm unscrewing now will not be needed in the tripod, as it is just to keep the screw inside while it's being delivered. Step 1, you screw the knob into the light so the light will adjust. Again, the screw that I'm unscrewing will not be needed into the tripod. It is just to keep the screw inside while it's being delivered. Step 2, you get the phone holder and you screw it onto the grappler. This is where the phone will be attached to the tripod. Step 3, you unloosen the clip so you can attach it to the tripod stand. Light, of course, and then you can move the light up and down, and the bit into the light so that you screw it in. All of them are like screwing, and like you don't need any tools or anything. And then you tighten it so it stays in that position. And then you've also got a little thing so then you know when it's straight. That's what all like the builders and stuff use. And this bit, you can move it up and down, move the light wherever you want it to go. And then you can put this grappler thing on like anywhere on this, but mainly on this part. Up here, down there, down there. I put it down here, so then the light's not too much in our face. So then my phone just goes into that like that, and also faces the front way. And then you can tighten that so it's in the right place as well. And then this is the bit that you put that onto. You also screw that in, and then this bit you tighten it so then the grappler stays there. And then this you tighten so this long silver thing stays up because you can extend the legs. And then these are all the things where you can extend the legs as well. They were small before if you saw the first bit of the video, but then I looked how to extend it and then I'd done it. And this bit is also where the tripod like comes out. So and then you just, these were up like that before, but then just went, so that's like, stable. And then this bit you connect it like a laptop or a USB thing, and then you can, like I said earlier, you can do the brightness up, you can like lower the brightness, turn it off, change the colour. There's 3 different shades, and yeah, so this is the finishing thing. It's really long in person, like it's nearly as tall as me, like I'm here, and yeah, it's really tall, it's really good. that I unscrewed earlier from the things, they're just like to keep the screen placed while it's getting delivered and stuff. As you can see here, they're not in use anywhere else. You just take them off. And yeah, packaging as well. The LED ring light came into this, which is a secure box, and it came with all the small stuff like the grappler and the little thing, and they were all secure in this little bag and everything. And then this is where the tripod came, as like it's quite big, so it got the big box. And then it came into this little bag as well, so if you're like moving places, or if you're going away or traveling or whatever, you can put it in this little bag, and it's quite small as well, so that's really good. And then yeah, it's just like box, and you've got loads of things, so it's like secure and doesn't break and everything. And it came into this box, so it's like double packaging, so it doesn't break at all. And then you've got instructions for it, very easy instructions. It's just 4 sheet page instructions like that. Well, it's 2 sheets basically, but this is just showing you the finishing things, and then where to put it in and what it does and everything. It's actually really good. So yeah, it's like a golden bronze color, which is also really good for pictures as well. And then you've got last colors, like a bronze / silver mixed ombre thing together. I just waffled so much then, but yeah, my favorite's probably that one because it's like really bright, and yeah, I love it. So this is it now, and I'm in love with it so much. I've been wanting one of these for ages, but I've finally come to the conclusion that I needed it now. So I got it, and yeah, so we're going to be using this in every video that we do. So you will see the light in our eyes, what I've been looking forward to. Is really weird, but yeah. But the review that I'm going to give it overall is really good. I'm probably going to give it an 8 or 9 out of 10. It's not 10 because there's a few bits that are like cracked a bit, and like the light flops, like there's no thing where you can tighten it so the light doesn't fall like that. It's not, that bit's really sad. But other than that, it's really good, and yeah, I'm in love with it so much. So if you want to buy this, I do highly recommend. The name is like LED ring light tripod. Oh yeah, the name is LED ring light tripod stand, and you'll probably find it, or you probably find another one, but all of them are quite good. My friend ordered some off Amazon as well, and they're really good as well. So all of them are good quality, and it's really good. I'm so happy I've got one now. So yeah, if you have watched until this point, make sure to comment down done if you have, and then you will be the next shout out of the week. And also subscribe if you're new to our channel. Also give this big thumbs in. If you have watched into this point and you really enjoyed, give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe if you're new or you haven't already. Also turn on post notification bell so you're notified every time we upload a new video. We upload videos every Tuesday, Thursday, Friday and Sunday, so yeah, stay updated for that. And if you want to see more unboxing videos or me like ordering stuff and unboxing them or trying them on like clothes or anything, make sure to comment down below that you do, and then I'll do it for you, because I really enjoyed this video as well, even though it took me like an hour to fix and like whatever, but you know, it's fine. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.